Hello, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial. Now to get started, we're going to be creating a project. So you want to hit game, third person, and then you're going to want to name it. Make sure you don't use any spaces. Alright, now here you want to right click, select user interface, and then widget. Alright, we'll call it timer, and then double click, and that'll open up the blueprint. Alright, then select text, drag that over. And for the anchors, you want to center it. For the position, just hit 0 and then tab. And for the Y position, just 0 again. For the text, we'll just have 00:00 as just a time example. Select the font arrow, the drop down arrow, change the size to just 100. And then we'll change the justification and we'll center that. Now you want to create a binding. Alright, now we'll add two variables. We'll add milliseconds and then we'll make that an integer. And then the second one we'll make seconds. Alright, now you want to add an append and add a pin, and then we'll add get milliseconds, and then we'll add a to text. So this will convert the default value to a text, and this will add it to the screen. And then you want to connect this to C. And then same for the seconds. So then to text, we'll add a to text node. And then remember to change the minimal integral digit to 2, and then connect this to A, and then just add a colon into B. And then we'll connect this one up here. Make this look a bit nicer. Alright, now seconds, you want to set the default value to 60. And we'll compile and save that. Alright, now over here to the event graph. Now you want to make sure this runs off the event construct. You want to enable looping. And we'll change the function name to start timer. And then we'll create a function. Make sure this is named exactly the same. Alright, so both named exactly start timer. And we'll set this to 0.1. Alright, now get milliseconds. And just type minus minus. And then we'll connect the start timer to this node. And we'll add a branch node. And then equals. And then we'll set this one to 0. And now we'll get seconds. And this one will also be minus minus. And we'll connect this one to the true statement for the branch. And change the default value for the milliseconds to 10. And then we want to set milliseconds, so not get, we want to set it, and we'll set it to 10. There we go. Compile, save. Alright, now you want to select your third person character and edit that. Then come over to the event graph. And then we'll add an event begin playing. And then add a construct node. and then we'll set the class to the timer widget. And then you'll add to viewport. So this will add the text that we've created to the viewport. And here we go. Here's our running timer. You can see it counting down, and there we go. That's how to create a game countdown timer in Unreal Engine 4. Thanks for watching.